I'm Sarah. Welcome to my channel, Oh Sarah, So Sarah. Today I'd like to share with you how I cut a pair of pants out of a pattern that I made for myself. This is the pattern piece that I made, and I gently ironed it with a low heat iron so that the wrinkles are gone. Let's get started. I'm using linen fabric, and I folded it with right sides together, and I've already straightened the grain so that my edges are nice and neat. This is the grain line, and I'm going to make this line parallel to the selvage. And here's how you do that. Put one pin in the arrow, and you take your tape measure and measure to the end of the grain line. And I'm going to keep my finger right here on the edge. It's 1/8 before 12 inches. Then I'm going to put my tape measure where my finger is at the edge of the fabric, and the arrow needs to match perfectly with the edge of my tape measure, as it does here. I'm going to smooth it out and put another pin. That's called measuring for the grain line. When you always keep your grain line parallel to the selvage of your fabric, the finished garment is going to come out very nice. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pin my pattern piece to the fabric, and I'm putting a pin every 6 inches or so. It doesn't have to be exact. And I'm making sure my pins do not stick out over the piece of paper. Another one right here. I'm not going to cut this out until I have both pieces pinned, because I want to make sure I have enough fabric. So I'm going to gently fold it over. We have our pants patterns pinned. Now we're ready to cut. I did want to let you know that I did wash my fabric in the washing machine in cool water, and I dried it on a low temperature in the dryer. We have our pants back and our pants front cut out, and we're ready for the next step. Join me next time, and I will share with you how to make your first seam and putting your pants together. Thanks for watching. My name is Sarah with Oh Sarah, So Sarah. Please like, share, and subscribe.